Some companies offer special training programs for their new hires to help them get acquainted with their new jobs. The onboarding process is also referred to as socialization, although the process does involve more than just the social aspects of the job. Onboarding programs teach people about their new roles, the people they will work with, and the expectations of the organization. Really good onboarding programs can help retain new hires by making them feel more comfortable and less uncertain about their new positions. These programs can also contribute to better job satisfaction and higher job performance, mostly because they prepare people to work in their environment. Some of you may be familiar with employee orientation, which can be one component of the onboarding process. Orientation refers to the single and often initial event where new hires are introduced to the organization. But the socialization process is broader, includes more than just orientation, and usually takes longer, sometimes weeks or even months. The best onboarding programs are usually focused on developing trainees' self-confidence, giving them the ability to jump right in and get to work.